Simulan na natin ang Rate This. Ayan, si Camille. Kakapasok niya lang sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Yeah, Camille.
Paano mo siya i-rate dito?
Should I just go for it
Yeah,
without explaining?
ganun mo lang. I-move mo lang siya. You need to move it. I'll hold it for you. Hirap nung English ko. I'll hold it for you.
Alam mo ba, I think it's good where it is right now.
Parang 7 out of 10.
I-
Konti. 5 out
Six.
of 5.
Like six.
6.
Like a
Okay.
six,
Bakit
yeah.
6?
Kasi, ano naman po, a lot of things happen not between me and Camille, pero like with Camille in general. May incident sa camp na after me and Chantel, nag-open kami about everything.
Yeah.
The whole I love you stuff. Tapos, biglang, we can't do this anymore. Parang na-hurt si Chantel. Right after that incident, biglang lumapit sa akin si Camille. She started being touchy. She started hugging me. And she started doing all this like parang close stuff.
Yeah.
While looking at Chantel in the eye. Parang
Tingin mo pinagsiselos niya si Chantel?
pinagsiselos at parang...
Pina-flirt ka niya? Tingin
Yeah,
mo?
like it was sort of Chantel felt like, what are you doing? Like, why are you doing it? Parang na...
Anong ginawa mo
nasaktan
nung
lang.
ginagawa niya sa'yo yung touchy-touchy?
No, lumapit siya and I just like I
Gumanon
kept
ka.
going like...
Tapos gumanon siya
like,
ulit.
And then...
Tapos naglaro na kayo ng
Wait,
Trip to
just
Jerusalem pala.
just trying to like distance myself kasi like I could see Chantel in the corner of my eye.
Ano sabi ni Chantel?
Parang iniiwas niya ni Camille. No, like like kasi me and Chantel weren't really cool that time. Parang we were still trying to like get back to like before everything happened. Yeah. So parang iniiwas niya ni Camille. Me and Chantel didn't really talk that much. Pero Camille, no. Actually,
May konti pa? Bakit touchy ka niya?
because
Nadagdagan?
no. Because she realized her mistakes. And she
okay.
apologized to Chantel. Nag-sorry na siya and I think
Oo.
they're on really good terms now. Pero wait.
Ay, buwabalik pala. Ang balis magpalit ng isip nito.
At the same time, she did pick Chantel to go to the play for team camp the second time around, which was also very, very insensitive.
Yeah. I get you. Ayan, punta naman tayo sa ating next housemate.
boy.
Boy, si Kim, iniyakan mo siya kagabi.
Yeah.
Actually, mas iniyakan mo pa siya kay Chantel, no?
I don't know. I don't remember how many tears have dropped. Pero si Kim,
I-rate mo siya. Gaano ka, kataas at kababa?
like that's a good 8, right?
8. Bakit 8?
8 kasi, I think, I said this kahapon na parang ako talaga yung kambal niya. I don't know, he's such a cool guy. He's like, I keep saying this about him. He's like a machine na walang off button. He's always on.
Mataas siya lagi.
Yeah, parang-
Kaya sa mga task lagi rin siyang beast mode.
Energetic, sobrang beast mode.
Lagi.
Like he's gonna eat you like at any
Yeah.
second. Parang nakakatakot talaga.
Burst!
Yeah, right? Pero, yeah, yun na nga. At the same time, it's sometimes too much.
Too much, kaya may minus
Exactly. You catch on quick. Yeah. Initan yung ulo niya, mabilis, and he like...
2. Parang magkaiba sila ng kambal niya. Yung kambal niya naman
Sobrang chill. Sobrang down to earth, sobrang like opposite. Pero yeah.
Sino ba sa tingin mo yung may kasalanan doon sa task nila yung nag-aaway sila? Si Kim or si Camille? Kasi lagi sila nag-aaway simula pa ng camp eh.
Nung job nila sa camp or sa
Sa bahay. Itong recent.
I think both may kasalanan. It's unfair to say na one of them lang may kasalanan. Both of them may kasalanan talaga. Si Kim medyo yes, he was like he was being patient with Camille, pero at the same time
Bitchy?
patient.
Patient.
He was being very patient with Camille, pero at the same time Camille was sort of pushing his buttons.
Si Camille pinupush siya.
And then Kim at one point parang lost his cool. Pero yun na.
Naglalabas siya ng sama ng loob sa'yo lagi. Pero si Ko yung taga-kalma nun, diba?
Yeah, I'm always the one who...
Tapos English pa yung away niyo nun, no? Ang hirap.
Yeah.
Ayan, next housemate naman tayo. Sino nga kaya ito? Si Chantel speaking.
So what does this heart really mean? Like,
kung gusto mo siya as a person or hindi,
Yeah.
kung nainis ka sa kanya or naaliw ka sa kanya.
yeah, honestly, I have to say na talaga.
Heart talaga.
Yeah, all the way.
Ano
Hindi
yan,
lang-
as a friend or as a
as a supporter,
supporter?
as an actual fan of Chantel.
Oo.
I am a huge supporter of Chantel kasi like lahat ng pinagdaanan niya, being picked twice.
Yeah,
and
nakakainis
still
yun.
fighting and still going strong.
Para siyang ping-pong, no?
Yeah, it's unfair. It's really unfair to Chantal. Everything that's happened to her, and
Yeah.
like, parang she doesn't deserve this. She deserves to be treated better. So the fact that she's still in there, fighting strong.
Yeah, positive.
And the positive atmosphere and like everything na parang sobrang supportive ako sa kanya.
Yes.
Ituloy mo, push mo, fight.
Yes,
Like, you
push
just
mo
keep
yan,
going.
be.
Yeah.
Sabi
okay.
mo nga, push mo yan, be.
Push mo yan, be. That's right. Chantal, you keep fighting in there. I know you're gonna do great things.
Yan, push lang, be. Ayan, next na housemate naman tayo. Ay, si Thea.
Thea.
Oh, ano namang i-rate mo kay Thea?
Thea Bells. I would give you
Ayan. Medyo
a
ang
9.
hirap dito.
Is that a 9?
9. Bakit 9?
Because she really needs to make up her mind on what she thinks about Kim. Kasi sobrang confused ako sa kanilang dalawa. I don't know what's going on between them.
Parang nagkaroon sila ng hindi pagkakaunawaan din, di ba?
Yeah. I don't understand.
Yun yung 1. Ano yung 9? Ba't mo siya gusto?
Kahit ano nang nangyari kay Thea, everything that happens to her, she turns it into a lesson. She turns it into something positive. Sobrang uplifting her attitude pagkasama mo siya. And basta sobrang madali makipagkasama.
Yes.
So chill to be
inviting
with. Yeah, very inviting, very welcoming.
Oh, yun. No, ngayon, next housemate naman tayo. Si Lou. Anong i-rate mo kay Lou? Sa pakikisama niya sa'yo, sa relasyon nyo?
I think 9 din po. I think the heart stays where it is.
9. Bakit 9?
Bakit 9? Because I remember nung unang pasok ko sa hindi pa sa actual camp, sa Camp B pa lang.
Yeah.
The big challenge. She was the only person that I really got close to. Nilapitan ko kasi I don't know why. Maybe she was the only English speaker there.
Para like, mas nakarelate ka.
Medyo English
kasi
speaking.
English speaking kayo. Ganyan.
So, siya lang talaga yung nakausap ko.
Agad-agad.
Siya yung nag-open up to ako. So, even though it was just for like 2 days.
Naging close din kayo sa loob ng bahay?
Yeah, I'd say na nagiging close kami. Lalo, especially when Andre and Chantal would leave to go to the camp and like we'd only like look at each other like, when do you think they're coming back? Like we'd always like wait for them to come back always. So like we kind of bonded, me and Lou.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Next housemate naman tayo. Si Andre. Ayan. Enjoy kayo kanina yung bumagsak ka ba, no? Ayan. Paano mo siya i-rate?
Andre.
Si Andre.
Honestly.
Nakalaban mo siya, di ba?
Honestly, kahit whatever the people are saying nasa labas about him nominating me, giving me 2 points and everything, it's still...
Binigyan ka niya ng 2 points.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga no?
Yeah, even though, kasi I understand. I don't blame him. It's still a 10 because siya yung tipong guy na he can turn everything into a life lesson. Kagaya ni Thea. Kagaya na like that positive outlook on life na whatever happens to you, you turn it into something positive, you turn it into a lesson, and just be honest, be yourself.
Actually, nung nilipat nga rin siya sa camp, parang very, alam mo, may sadness siya, pero very parang go, sige lang.
Yeah.
Parang ganun
Yun
siya.
na nga, like when I picked him, he was not sad at all. He's so game. Na gustong-gusto niya lumaban kahit it was against the people na he loved. Sila Lou, me, Yam Fumia, he still was so game. And he told me na, don't back down. Give it your all.
Yes.
Even though we're going head-to-head.
Totoo.
So, yeah.
Ayan. Next housemate naman tayo. Sino nga kaya ito? Si Fumia. Grabe. Bakit? Ganyan na agad.
10. Yeah, for sure. Fumia was my first patient ever.
Patient?
Ano
yung patient?
Like...
Pasyente?
Yeah.
Bakit?
Kasi nung...
Piniti mo siya.
Nung nakasakit siya
sa tuhod.
Sa tuhod niya. He got like a weird infection or I don't know what you call that.
Ano ginawa mo sa kanya?
What was it called?
Pulikat?
The one with the eye. Na lumabas ng pus or like oily and like yellow stuff. Like a cyst, I think.
Cyst?
Something like that. I don't know, basta like whatever happened to his leg.
Anong ginawa mo sa kanya?
Ako talaga yung nag-alaga sa kanya. Like, I was the one who was taking care of him. Naggagamot ako sa kanya every time he needed to take medication.
Yeah.
Ako yung nagbigay sa kanya kasi, like, the medication's kind of complicated.
Yeah.
So it was always me taking care of him, looking after him. Kasi he's so pure.
Pure siya.
He was so pure and he's so
Oo.
innocent na parang sobrang pure yung isip niya.
Totoo.
Yeah, very.
Actually, sa Japan nga, puro mga ganyan yung mga tao. Sobrang babait, sobrang
Yeah.
hospitable
Yeah.
talaga sila. Kasi ang nanay ko nakatira doon. Ayan, next housemate naman tayo. Last na ito, sino? Si Yam Yam. Yan ang pinili mong di ba, batch winner?
Yeah.
Bakit siya?
Napili ko po si Yam Yam kasi he's the person I know that would make the most out of it pag big winner siya.
Oo.
I know that he's the type of person na pag big winner siya, he would be the person who could affect most people's lives, who could
Yes.
inspire more people.
Totoo.
Na because his background, his life story, and the fact that he's here and still fighting, there's so many people that can like be inspired and be touched by his story. So
Actually,
I see him as a big
nakaka-inspire
inspiration.
na yung
Yeah.
kanyang story.